is a comparison between magnesium glycinate versus glycine. So, magnesium glycinate is also known as magnesium, which is actually good for you to intake, while glycine is an organic compound with the formula of C2H5N2. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and do not partake it. Now, here is a table for a concise comparison. For the feature, magnesium glycinate is a mineral supplement while glycine is a non-essential amino acid. For primary use, magnesium glycinate supports magnesium levels muscles while glycine supports protein high synthesis. For key benefit, it is often easier on the stomach, which is the magnesium glycinate, and the glycine is used for gut health. So if you're for looking for stomach health, you can go ahead and go purchase magnesium glycinate. But for you're looking to a gut health protection, then you can go ahead and purchase the glycine itself.